Hi friends, welcome back to the Wordcraft Hub. I'm Karthik.
And I'm Pooja. Today we have something super exciting for you.
Yes, today we are going to learn English for travelers, especially at the airport English.
Whether you're going on vacation, visiting family, or traveling for work, airport English is very important.
And don't forget friends, if you love learning English with us, like this video, subscribe to the Wordcraft Hub and share it with your friends.
Yes, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our lessons.
Okay Pooja, let's start our airport adventure.
Yes, let's go.
Pooja, look at this airport. It's so big.
Yes, Karthik. Airports are always busy. There are many people, check-in counters, and luggage carts.
Friends, here's a new word. Check-in counter. Check-in counter means the place where you show your ticket and passport.
Exactly. For example, I'm going to the check-in counter to get my boarding pass.
Great. Now let's imagine we are going to check in. Hello. I would like to check in, please.
Sure. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you go. Passport is your ID for traveling. Ticket is your permission to fly.
Friends, repeat after us.
Passport.
Ticket.
Check in.
The staff will ask you a few questions. For example,
Do you have any baggage to check in?
new words here. Baggage or luggage equals your suitcases, bags, or backpacks.
Check in means give your luggage to the airline so they put it on the plane.
Karthik, what do we say if we have a smart bag we want to carry?
We say, I have a carry-on bag.
Yes, carry-on means the bag you take with you on the plane.
Let's do a short dialogue, friends.
Okay, Karthik, you ask the staff.
Hi, I would like to check in. I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Sure. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go. Thank you.
Perfect. See? Very simple English.
Yes.
Now we go to security.
Friends, security is the place where airport staff check your bags and make sure you don't carry dangerous items.
Yes, you will put your bags on the conveyor belt and walk through the metal detector.
New words. Conveyor belt, moving belt that takes your bag through the machine. Metal detector, the machine you walk through that checks for metal. Example sentence. Please put your bag on the conveyor belt and walk through the metal detector.
And don't forget to take off your belt, watch, or jacket.
Sometimes I forget and the alarm rings.
Friends, a tip. Take out your liquids and electronics before security.
Good tip, Pooja.
After security, we go to the gate.
Friends, gate equals the place where you enter the plane.
Here we can wait, read, or buy snacks.
New phrases. Boarding time, when passengers can enter the plane. Flight delayed, when the plane comes later than planned. Gate number, the number of your gate.
Example, our boarding time is 10 a.m. We are at gate number 15.
And if the flight is late, you can say, our flight is delayed by 30 minutes.
Friends, do you know how to ask for help at the airport?
Yes, you can say, excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for gate 15.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for gate.
Now we are on the plane.
Friends, on the plane you can learn these words. Aisle seat is a seat next to the walkway. Window seat is a seat next to the window. Seat belt is the belt you fasten for safety.
You can say, I have a window seat, please. Or, can I fasten my seat belt?
And don't forget, excuse me, can I have a glass of water?
Always polite English works.
After landing, we go to immigration.
New words. Immigration means where officials check your passport and visa.
Visa is permission to enter a country.
Here, the officer may ask, purpose of your visit?
You can answer, I am here for tourism. I am here to visit my family. I am here for business.
Another important phrase. How long will you stay?
Simple answer, I will stay for 7 days.
Friends, always be polite. Say thank you after immigration.
Now, we go to baggage claim to collect our luggage.
New words. Baggage claim equals area where you get your suitcases. Carousel equals the moving belt that brings luggage.
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the baggage claim for flight XY123?
And don't forget to check your bag tag.
Bag tag equals small label on your bag with your flight information.
Friends, always check your luggage before leaving the airport.
Yes, after collecting bags, we go to taxi or rideshare.
You can ask, taxi to city center please? How much is the fare? Or, can you take me to this hotel?
Friends, these sentences are very useful when you leave the airport.
Now it's time for you to practice, friends.
Yes, try these sentences. 1. Excuse me, where is gate dash? 2. I would like to check in please. 3. Can I have a window seat?
Comment below with your airport sentences. We will check them and give you tips.
Also tell us, have you ever been to an airport? How was your experience?
Don't worry, if your English is not perfect, just try. Practice makes perfect.
Let's quickly review, friends.
Today we learned check-in counter, passport, ticket, baggage, security, conveyor belt, metal detector, gate, boarding time, flight delayed, on the plane, aisle seat, window seat, seat belt, immigration, visa, purpose of visit, baggage claim and bag tag, taxi, fare, directions.
Remember, repeat these words and sentences. The more you practice, the more confident you will be.
And don't forget, speak slowly and politely. That is the key to good English.
Wow, what a journey, Pooja.
Yes, friends, now you know how to speak English at the airport.
Remember to like this video, subscribe to the WordCraft Hub and share it with your friends.
And stay tuned for our next video where we will learn English at the hotel, check-in and booking phrases.
Thank you for watching, friends.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.